Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming basic prerequisites: battery above 20% and network available so the phone can process carrier data. Unlock your iPhone 13 Pro Max, then go straight to Settings and tap Cellular or Mobile Data. Once there, scan the list of plans shown under Cellular Plans. Make sure you identify the ESIM label for the cellular plan you want removed. Carrier name and plan details help avoid deleting the wrong one. Now select the ESIM entry you identified. Tap it to open plan details so you can see the Remove Cellular Plan option. Tap Remove Cellular Plan and read the confirmation dialog. This deletes the ESIM profile from the iPhone, but not necessarily from the carrier account. Once you confirm, the phone will remove the profile. You'll see the plan disappear from the list. Make sure to reboot the phone after removal to clear any cached carrier settings. With the profile gone, reboot the iPhone to finalize system changes and ensure no residual settings remain. If the remove option is grayed out or the plan reappears, make sure you're not in the middle of an active call or data session, then try again. If problems persist, contact your carrier to deregister the ESIM from their side, or use Settings General Transfer, or reset iPhone Reset Network Settings as a fallback.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.